Hey guys, my best friend Jocelyn. Right now we're gonna do the best friend package. Okay, so I'm asking the question: how and when did you
We met in ninth grade. I was a new girl, and it was the teacher made her Mr. Monkey, and he very like me, and I liked her because she was conceited.
meet? Yes. And I thought she was one of the girls that didn't go after you. What's your favorite memory together?
All the sleepovers at Arizona.
She took me to Arizona with her family, like this is her ugly dog Sunny. I just kidding. Ow! Yoshinoya. Describe each other in one word. Best friend. What's your dream job?
Um, to be Madam Zeta.
Yes, that's hers too. Meant to be sweet. What's your favorite make? What's my favorite makeup
Maybelline.
line? Yes. Is yours
I had
too?
to think about it.
Yours
Yes.
is right. What is something that annoys you? What is something that annoys you about me?
Use my phone too much.
That is what annoys you, huh?
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, what annoys you?
Like
Into it. What annoys me about her is she cares about her dog too
that's fucked up.
much. Okay. Okay, if we could go anywhere in the world together, where would it be and why?
Hawaii.
Arizona.
We don't agree.
Well, I would want to live in Arizona in the future because I like it
Well,
there.
yeah, me too.
My family lives there. What's your favorite inside joke?
Huh?
Our favorite inside joke. Eek. Oh yeah, eek. Oak. Eek. Oak.
Yeah.
What takes longer? Who takes longer to get ready? Her.
Priscilla.
No, not me.
I don't take
Yeah,
long.
you do.
You take long.
Whenever we've been getting ready since I've been here, you take longer
No, you do.
No, not really.
Whatever.
Okay, we take the same amount.
No.
Favorite season?
Summer.
Favorite song?
Boys in the Hood.
Boys.
Right.
Well, the song that we always sing together is "You ain't gotta say too much and then look in your eyes." Well,
Anyway.
okay. What is it like being best friends with someone who was obsessed with you?
What is it like being best friend with someone? Oh, okay. I'll be on the phone with her, and she'll be like, "Wait, I'll call you back because I'm on YouTube or I'm uploading videos." That is very annoying.
Well, my bad. Heels or flats? Heels. Too long. You like flats better? You have heels.
Okay,
Pants or dresses? Yes. Pants or right? Favorite. What's my favorite animal? Okay, but like animal.
dog.
No, like the wilderness creatures.
Panda bear.
How did you know?
What's mine?
Oh, cheetah.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
That's
a giraffe.
No.
You said you want
Koala bear.
Well, that's not.
Or oh
That's
wait,
not even
I
it.
missed the question. Sorry.
Okay, if your house was burning down and your entire family was sure to be okay, what would you think and why? What would you think?
You would say
You would say sunny. And I would say, why would I say sunny? And she would say for sunny because that's her baby. Comedy, horror, or chick flick? Horror. Yes, her too, right?
Yeah.
Blackberry or iPhone? What about me? Oh. Favorite movie? that I eat.
Pig skin. Ugh.
Something where she eats. How to say it? I eat everything she eats.
I don't eat pig skin though.
Yeah. Do you guys have anything matching? Yeah,
Lots
we
of
do.
things.
We do. What's my favorite TV show?
16 and pregnant.
Yes, and yours is Prison Break.
Yes.
Okay. Well, yeah, that's it, guys.
What did I read?
Oh, want to say what we were?
Huh?
Okay. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. That's not the navigation I show.
I'm not
Okay.
getting
Why? Why? Right now I'm wearing this shirt. I wore this yesterday, but I still have it on. Because I haven't taken a shower for 2 days. That is my belly
I
button.
mean, like, seriously, but it's not.
Then I am wearing these. Oh my god, you guys can't see this name on my pillow. My old school t-shirt. And then I'm wearing these cute long socks. Why?
Fail.
And Yoshi's wearing a gray shirt, gray jacket, cardigan, black shirt, black pants. That's it, guys. I hope you guys have a nice day.